Hello again, everyone. Truck CB Sales here with a tune-up report for my friend in Hawaii on the Stryker SR-955. We got you all ready to go here, bud. Our tune alignment, voltage regulator upgrade, the ERF 2030 Plus upgrade, a couple other secretive upgrades we did for you here, and only you and I know about it. But let's just get right to it. RF power all the way down, 50-watt slug. Just a hair under 2 watts, that way you have full adjustability with your 4-pill car belt amp. 20 watts all the way up. Show you average power swing. Hello, 50 watts in the corner. 250 watt slug, show average. Hello, audio. Joker's going about 75 bird. 250 watt slug in peak. Hello, audio. About 125 peak. Alright, my friend, it's ready to come to you. I appreciate it. From your friend Truck at www.truckscbsales.com. Bump.